Hello everyone. Many people don't know what to have for breakfast, so today I'm going to share a lazy spring roll recipe with you. There's no need to knead or roll out dough. It's quick and easy, ready in just 2 minutes. It's nutritious, delicious, and the perfect lazy breakfast that the whole family will love. First, prepare a handful of vermicelli noodles and place them in a bowl, then add boiling water. Set it aside to soak for later use. Next, prepare a handful of clean Chinese chives and chop them finely. Chinese chives have a unique aroma that many people really enjoy. After chopping, place the chives in a bowl, add a little cooking oil, and mix well so that the chives are evenly coated with a layer of oil. This helps lock in the moisture of the chives. That way, when you add salt later, the chives won't release water. Next, prepare a sausage and cut it up. Dice it into small pieces. After dicing, add it to the chives, then prepare 3 fresh hen eggs and crack them into a bowl. Add a little white vinegar to remove any fishy smell. Use chopsticks to beat the eggs thoroughly. Next, add a little oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, pour in the egg mixture. Quickly scramble with chopsticks, then stir fry until the eggs break into small pieces. Once the eggs look like this, transfer them to a bowl. Then chop the soaked vermicelli into small pieces. After cutting, put it in a bowl. Start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt, a little chicken bouillon, a pinch of sugar, and a pinch of pepper. A small spoonful of 13 spices, a little bit of light soy sauce. Stir thoroughly with chopsticks. Mix it until it looks like this. Next, prepare an appropriate amount of wonton wrappers so you don't need to knead or roll out dough. Take one wrapper and lay it on the cutting board. Add a suitable amount of filling. Brush a little water along the edges to help seal it, then roll it up as shown in the video. Press both ends firmly to prevent the filling from leaking out. Just like that, a small raw dumpling is ready. You can make a batch at once and store them in the fridge so you can take them out and cook them whenever you want. It's really convenient. Next, prepare a bowl and crack in 2 eggs, then beat them with chopsticks until well mixed. Add a spoonful of starch and continue stirring until evenly combined. Stir until there are no lumps of starch left. Next, pour a generous amount of oil into the pan. Heat the oil until it's about 60% hot. When you put chopsticks in, small bubbles should quickly form. That means the oil is ready. Then dip the small spring rolls into the egg mixture, making sure they're evenly coated. This will make them even crispier and tastier. After coating, place them into the hot oil. Fry them slowly over low heat, letting the spring rolls set their shape. Once one side turns slightly golden, flip them over and fry until both sides are lightly golden. Keep turning them constantly during frying. This ensures they heat evenly. Since wonton wrappers are thin, they cook quickly, so don't fry them for too long. The whole process takes about 2 minutes. Once they're golden and crispy like this, they're done. Alright, take them out and drain the oil. A delicious lazy spring roll is ready. The outer skin is golden and crispy. The filling is fresh and flavorful, and just looking at it makes you hungry. It's nutritious and makes a great breakfast staple. So tasty you can't stop eating. The more you eat, the more addictive it gets. If you like it, remember to like, comment, and share. Thank you for your support.